India has undertaken yet another blatant military act of aggression against Pakistan by sending Harap drones at multiple locations. Pakistan Armed Forces, being in a high state of alert and vigilance, have so far neutralized 12 Harap drones at various locations. These locations are Lahore, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Attak, Bahawalpur, Miano, Chor and near Karachi. You can see on the screen some of the parts of the debris of these neutralized drones. As we speak, the debris and the neutralized drones and the drones that have been forced to be on the ground, that is being collected from multiple locations in Pakistan. Other than these 12, one drone, however, managed to engage a military target near Lahore partially. 4 men of Pakistan Army have been injured in this attack near Lahore, and partial damage to an equipment has occurred. Due to this activity, another drone, as a result of this activity at Miano, there is one civilian has embraced Shahadat and one is injured in Miano, Sindh. As we speak, the process of India sending across these Harap drones, this naked aggression continues, and the armed forces are on high degree of alert and neutralizing them as we speak. This is a serious provocation